So hey guys, I'm Kaustubh and you're watching the Code Assistant. Welcome back to another episode of A to Z Linux command. In this video, we're gonna see how we can create files in multiple ways in your Linux operating system, plus how to remove that files too. Okay, we are using 4 commands to create a file, like touch command, nano text editor. You can use any text editor. Then cat command and echo command. And to remove files, we are gonna use rm command. Okay. So without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, so open your file manager, right click on it, anywhere, create a new folder, just give any name. I am creating a folder of test, okay, of name test. Just right click on it, click on open in terminal. Okay, so now we are in our test folder. Just press ls command to see the contents of that folder, like files and directories. There are no files and directories currently present in that folder, so there is no output. Okay, so to create a file, there is a first command, means the first command is touch. Okay, you can create multiple files using touch command too. Like for example, just create a single file, hello.txt. okay, just type ls again. You can see hello.txt is created here. For example, if I want to create a multiple files, just type touch 1.txt, 2.txt, 3.txt. You can give any extension to that file, hit enter, type ls again. We can see 1.txt, 2.txt and 3.txt, those files are successfully created. Okay, to clear the output window, again type clear and hit enter. Okay, so this is a touch command. So now there is another command which is cat command. So to use cat command, just type cat greater than sign, then file name. For example, let's type my file. Okay, myfile.txt, hit enter and just type any text you want to. Like I am typing hello world. Okay, enter and press Ctrl D to exit from it. Okay, after pressing ls, you can see myfile.txt is created successfully. Okay, so to check the contents of that file, just you can also use cat command. Press cat and then file name without any arrows. Okay, myfile.txt, so myfile.txt. okay, then hit enter. You can see hello world as a text in a file. Okay, so just clear this output again. Now I want to add another text to the same file which we created previously, like which file was that? Okay, so myfile.txt. So if I want to add another text to myfile.txt, I can use cat double greater than sign myfile.txt, hit enter and just I will just add one line. This is second. Okay, just type this is another line, hit enter, press Ctrl D. Okay, so just clear this output window and check whether our new text is added or not in the myfile.txt. Just type cat myfile.txt and hit enter. So you can see another line, this is another line is added successfully at the end of that file. Okay, so this is cat command. So another command is echo command. Using echo command, you can create and append any other text to the same file. For example, echo file.txt. okay, actually I press double greater than sign. You can see file.txt is successfully created. Okay, for example, if you want to add any text in that file, so just type any text here like hello and hit enter and just check whether the text is present or not in that file. You can see hello and these extra spaces for our blank input which we gave previously, like here. Okay, so if you want to create a new file rather than appending the text, like for example, if I type hello1 and hit enter, just clear this first. Okay, just use cat command to display the text. You can see hello and hello1. if I want to create a new file and not to append any text on that same file, so you can use single arrow like we used previously in cat command. So arrow, for example, just type hello and single arrow, then I want to create a file name as new file. Okay, just create new file .txt. okay, just remove this space, hit enter. Now just cat or new file, you can see our new file is created successfully using echo command. Okay, so next command is nano command. If you don't have nano installed in your operating system, you can install it easily using sudo apt-get install nano, hit enter, enter your root password. Okay, so you can see nano is successfully installed. Okay, so nano, what is nano? Nano is a text editor. We see how we can create and append a text to file or add text to file, but we didn't see how we can exactly edit those file as an editor. Okay, so we can do this using nano text editor. There are also too much text editor available like gedit, vim. Okay, but I prefer to use nano text editor. So to create a file, just type nano and give name nano file. Okay, nano file.txt, hit enter. You can see now you can edit your files here. Okay, so just add any text. This is using nano text editor. Okay, so now to save the file and exit at the same time, just press Ctrl X, Y to confirm it and hit enter. Okay, you can see of nano file.txt is created successfully. Now to check the content of that file, just type cat nano file.txt. okay, hit enter. You can see this is using nano text editor. Also you can open any of this file in the nano text editor to edit them. Okay, so now we will see how we can actually remove those files or multiple files at the same time. Okay, so just clear this output again, type once ls. Okay, for example, if I want to delete this new file.txt, we can do that using rm command, which is acronym for remove. Rm, then file name which you want to remove, like new file.txt. You can also give multiple files at the same time to remove, like touch command. So for example, I want to delete multiple files, new file.txt and file.txt. just hit enter, click ls. We can see those both files are deleted successfully. What if I want to delete all the files in a particular directory? In that case, we can use rm star. So star is for all. So all the files which we created in the directory, in this particular test directory, will be deleted. So just hit enter, just type ls. We can see there is a no output, means there is no files and folders present in a test directory. So this is it for today guys. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe to our channel.